Hey everyone, it is Abby. How are you guys doing today? Today's video is going to be something I've had multiple requests on now. And it's kind of going to be vlog style, I guess you'd say. No real scripted thing going on. But anyway, so I've had many of you ask me to smoke and put on my makeup, so I'm going to do just that today. So I hope you enjoy. Having breathing issues. Allergies are ridiculous right now. So if I sound a little more nasally than normal, that would be why. Okay, there we go. All right. So I've already got my foundation on and spread around evenly, as even as I can. Next thing I typically do is my eyes. Colors you guys are probably way too familiar with. My smoky grays. And if I lean out of the camera shot, I apologize already, because I'm usually a lot closer to the mirror, so maybe I'll just lean into the camera. Can't tell if that's okay. We're good. We're good. Can you tell I don't normally do the eyes with the cigarette dangling from my mouth? Have all this stuff in here. It's making some weird shadows for me. Any rate. Not quite there yet. As you'll see, I really don't do heavy makeup. But I do have a little surprise for you guys at the end. Something that is atypical for me on my YouTube videos. All right. So, part of me has wondered why some of you have always asked me to do this. While smoking. I'm not going to do the bottom lashes today. So, my infinite curious self, you know, got to wondering why this is like a thing. Were you guys out there? And as I was setting up to do this video, it dawned on me that those of you with the true fetish falls back on that whole important female in your life at some point when you were young was a smoker sort of thing. And then it kind of hit me. Oh, I know why. Because they would watch their mom smoke, sit in front of a mirror and smoke and put makeup on. So, makes sense. I'm like, all right, cool. We do a lot of the smoking fetish here, obviously. So, yeah, this stands to reason. So I thought, what the heck? We'll do a video putting some makeup on and smoking. So that really is all about all I do. With my eyes, I don't normally put on eyeliner unless I'm going out. I want to go for the ultra mysterious dark smoky color, I don't know. Whatever you want to call it. So then I go ever so light with my apricot tone blush. And sometimes I will go over it with my translucent because skin underneath all this is not perfect. We'll say that. It's not perfect. So that is all I do. And then typically I will go for my lipstick or lip gloss. A lot of times I'll do lip gloss because I do like the not totally made up natural look. But today, my surprise is, ooh, if I can get it open, it's a new one. So I gotta get it open. It's red, 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 red. Kind of matches my shirt. You'd think I planned that. All right. It's kind of my basic everyday look. Not that face I just made, but oh my gosh, come open, yay! The struggle is real, folks. So here we go. Sorry, I'm out of the shot. I don't really wear red, if I'm being quite honest, much, because I don't like the way it looks on me. And then I have like a light pink lip gloss will shine it up a little bit. There we go, folks. Shiny red lips. So there you have it. All right, filter now. And that's about it, aside from the red, which was my little surprise for you guys. But that's what I do typically when I'm getting ready to make our videos, like I film our videos. And real quick, before I go, I wanted to remind you all about our contest going on this week. It is Retro to Monday, so the videos from Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, if you put a comment, leave me a comment in that video and a share, I will put your name into a drawing for a free 10-minute custom video, and it'll be a smoking video, and I will draw the winner on Monday, and you'll get one entry per video that you comment on and share. And that is to celebrate our 1-year YouTube anniversary, which is this Saturday. So yay! I'm excited for that. I can't believe we've made it this far. Woo! Anyway, hope you all enjoyed, and we will see you guys real soon.